If you've been wondering about the LinkedIn Skills Assessment feature on LinkedIn, then keep watching, because in this video, I'm going to lay out everything you need to know about this feature on LinkedIn. How do you take the skills assessment? Will it actually help you land your next opportunity? And what do you do if you fail the assessment? If you want to know all of this and more, stick around because I have everything you need to know about this topic. But before we dive in, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel if you want to learn more about how to use LinkedIn to land your next opportunity. Click that bell to be notified whenever I drop a new video, because I post weekly content and I want you to be the first to know about it. What is the LinkedIn Skills Assessment? The LinkedIn Skills Assessment is an online assessment that is administered by LinkedIn that allows you to show how proficient you are in a skill that is listed on your profile. You'll be asked to answer 15 multiple choice questions related to that specific topic. Once LinkedIn grades your assessment, you have to score within the top 30% of LinkedIn's benchmark in order to obtain what is known as a skills badge. That pretty much lets people know that are viewing your profile that you are proficient in that skill. You can display this skills badge on your profile and you'll also come up in recruiters' searches. At the time of this video, LinkedIn offers these skills assessments in 3 different areas. The first is technical skills like JavaScript, Python, and XML. The second is in business skills like Google Ads, Microsoft Excel, and QuickBooks. And the third is design skills like Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, and Keynote. Now let's get into how to actually take the assessment in LinkedIn. Okay, so once I'm in my LinkedIn profile, I'm going to scroll all the way to the skills section of my profile. Here it is. Once I am there, I'm going to click the button that says Take Skill Quiz. I can now see all the different quizzes and assessments that LinkedIn has available. I can filter it by all, recommended. These are the ones that LinkedIn recommends based on my profile, industry knowledge, and tools and technology. Once I click into one of these assessments, again, I have some details and some tips that LinkedIn gives me. It says that you can only retake this once if you don't earn the badge. I could choose to practice the assessment, 2 questions without affecting your score, or I could directly choose to start the assessment. In that case, I will just click the blue start button. So from there, you'll take the assessment and get your results. It's important to know that your results are private by default. So once you've taken the assessment, LinkedIn will not publish your results on their platform. It will be private. You have the option to display the skills badge that you obtain if you score within the top 30% of LinkedIn's benchmark. What happens if you fail? Don't worry. You could retake the test once more within 6 months of taking your initial test. But don't worry, even if you fail, LinkedIn will not publish your results. So it doesn't hurt to take the test even if you don't pass. Now let's get into the golden question. Will taking a skills assessment actually boost your chances of getting a job? Well, according to LinkedIn, candidates who completed LinkedIn skills assessments are significantly more likely, approximately 30%, to get hired. Why is that? Well, if you think about it from the perspective of a recruiter, if I'm using LinkedIn's recruiter tool, I can actually go onto my tool. If I'm searching for candidates to fill an open position and I need them to be specifically skilled in a certain area or a certain tool, say QuickBooks, I can actually filter my search in my LinkedIn recruiter tool to only show me those people that have the QuickBooks skill badge on their profile. This means that they are skilled in this area. Not only will it make my time a lot easier, but it actually helps me to filter candidates based on those that have the skills badge on their profile. LinkedIn also says it's not mandatory for you to take the assessment. However, taking the assessment will help you stand out by showcasing that you have the desired skills of an ideal candidate, as well as increase your chances of getting noticed by other recruiters. In my opinion, I have had so many clients land jobs through LinkedIn without having the skills badge. It doesn't hurt to have them. If you have the time and you want to optimize every part in your job search, a skills assessment might help. For me, the most important things that I tell my clients to do is to ensure that your profile profile is fully optimized using keywords that recruiters are searching for. That is the most important thing. Have you taken a LinkedIn skills assessment before? Let me know in the comments below. I'm curious to know. I do hope that you found this video useful, all about LinkedIn skills assessments, what they are, how you could take them, and if they will benefit you in your job search. If you did find it helpful, please give this video a like. It helps so much, especially to show this video to others that are searching about this topic. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel for more videos like these on how to use LinkedIn to supercharge your job search. As usual, because you stayed right until the end, I have a free download for you that is going to help you accelerate your results. Click the link right below this video and I will see you very soon. Bye for now.